Well, we're here at the muffler shop. We're just picking it up. I didn't video bringing it. Yeah, everybody knows how to take one to the muffler shop, but it sounds awesome. I put 2.5-inch exhaust with an H pipe with Super T10s or Super 10s, whatever Flowmasters, more or less a one chamber with dumps at the rear end. Later on I may put tailpipes on it, but I didn't have enough money but to just do dumps at the rear end. Sounds really good. I get to the house, I'll video y'all. I'll get you a video if you're listening to it, because I don't want to do it here. Look odd holding the phone in front of my face. Alright, I told you I'd give you a video of this thing running with the new exhaust. You gotta let the coat kick off. Here we go. You gotta love it, old B-Cam. Old B-Cam sound pretty good. And it is awesome looking underneath. I wish I could show it to you. I'll see if I can. Alright, I'm gonna see if I can show you all the exhaust. Looks pretty good. I did go to pull apart today. Hey, I scored something because I've got a set of wheels I'm gonna stick on this thing. I'll show y'all in the future, but I scored something that I want to show y'all. Why have I got this? All right, here's what I got today. I already put them in the storage because I wanted y'all to see, but I scored some 5-lug axles for the Zephyr. We're gonna go 5-lug. I gotta give me some spindles next. So that's our new project for it.